Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to verify Moonpay account. First, you have to log into your Moonpay account, and from here you will find verify your account. If you can find it, then restart your application again and try again to find this verification process option. Now simply click on it, then it will take a short loading, and here you just need to enter your personal info and where you reside, the location. You have to verify your personal details and you have to enter where you reside, man. That's mean you have to confirm your location. Now click on get started, and from here you just need to choose the country that you live in, and from here you will find all the countries available. From here, choose your country from here, and I'm going to choose mine. After choosing the location, you have to enter your legal first name according to your government issued ID, your NID card or national ID card or driver license or passport. Then enter your last name and enter your birth date here. You can also select the nationality from here. Then after completing this form, you just need to click on continue. Next, you have to enter the details about your residential address. Make sure you have entered the details according to your verified document, and you have to prove your address with address document that are issued by your government. Here you just need to enter your address, and you also can enter additional info if you want. So then you just select a city of then you have to enter postal code from here, and you can select your state from here. Then simply click on continue, and then you have to enter your phone number, your active phone number, where you will get the verification code, the 6-digit verification code to verify your contact number from here. Then after entering the phone number, you can just click on continue, and then you have to enter the 6-digit verification code, and then you can verify your phone number. After verifying your phone number, Moonpay will ask for your valid document that issued by your government, like your driver license, passport or national ID card. You just need to take photo of your national ID cards front side and back side. Also, if you want to go with your passport, then you just need to take a photo of your passport's information page, and then you just need to confirm yourself with a live selfie. You just need to open your camera and make sure you stay stable in front of camera and with a perfect exposure. Then it will take a few seconds, and your selfie will automatically captured in the Moonpay app, and then all your documents and information will go for the verification. After completing the verification, after approval, you will get the email from Moonpay to your email address. That's how you can verify your Moonpay account easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.